Hello, dear students. This is Rajiv Kumar Sharma, your math teacher. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number system, and the topic will be rationalization. Before starting this rationalization, I would like to discuss about the mathematical operations on the real number. As we know, mathematical operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and we will apply these operations on the numbers which is taken from this chapter number system. Actually, we have discussed the questions on the basis of such operations in class 6th, 7th and 8th. This time we will take the specific kind of numbers like rational or irrational, and we'll do the operation on it. I am going to show you some examples on the basis of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. As I have shown the sheet in front of you, just look at this sheet and see the first one case in which addition has been shown to you. We have taken the number as 2 root 3 plus 5 root 3 equals to 7 root 3. As you know, in algebraic expression, while adding, if the terms are like terms, we will add their coefficients. The same thing I did here, because 2 root 3 and 5 root 3 both are the like terms. Got it? So I have added 5 and 2, and result is coming as 7, and root 3 is common in both. So result is finally 7 root 3. Similarly, in the second one, subtraction, 6 root 2 minus 2 root 2, and I have taken the root 2 as the common, and then it is 6 minus 2, result is 4 root 2. Now multiplication, 4 root 5 into 2 root 5. I have multiplied 4 into 2 and then root 5 into root 5. 4 2 is 8 and root 5 into root 5, that is 5. We will discuss why root 5 into root 5 is 5. We will discuss in the next module when I will start the rationalization. Okay. Next is division. 6 root 7 divided by 4 root 7. We can write this as 16 root 7 upon 4 root 7. And now 4 4 is 16, and root 7 cancelled by the cancellation law, and result is 4. So these are the mathematical operations which I have shown to you. Now we are going to discuss about the rationalization. I would like to share one thing. If we are going to discuss about the rationalization, so we should keep all that rules of indices rules in our knowledge. What are the given in class 8 as a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. First we will discuss the first case of the rationalization. If the terms are given as 1 upon root n, there is a rule: we cannot write a rational number in such a manner denominator is a root value. If it is, then that should be free from root. To make it free, this should be multiplied by root n. If we will multiply the numerator and denominator both by n, result will come as root n upon n, because root n into root n equals to n. I will tell you the second case of this rationalization in the next video. Thank you.